Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you.
Not long after it was named as Top Gear's Performance Car of the Year during its annual Speed Week test, the Hyundai i20N was also named as the publication's outright car of the year. The i20N follows in the footsteps of the i30 N and Veloster N and directly rivals the Ford Fiesta ST. It didn't just beat out 25 other contenders during the Speed Week test, but Top Gear was so impressed with its breadth of abilities that it had to also give it its highest accolade, according to Top Gear magazine editor Jack Rix. We already knew how brilliant the i20N was after it brushed aside 25 other competitors at our recent Speed Week test to claim our coveted Performance Car of the Year title, Rix said. But you don't win the top prize in our annual awards without proving your all-round brilliance. Having shown on British racetracks and beer roads, we decided to throw it in at the deep end to prove its greatness, with an adventure across the Australian outback. What we discovered was a low-slung hot hatch that remained both comfortable and completely unflustered across oppressively large distances, and on washboard road surfaces. A little Hyundai hatchback that did so well, so far out of its comfort zone, that it was impossible to do anything but make it our overall car of the year. We are truly honored to receive two prestigious awards from one of the world's most influential and enjoyable automotive publications, especially at a time when Hyundai's global brand has never been stronger. Executive Vice President and Global Chief Marketing Officer at Hyundai Motor Company, Thomas Skemra, said. We know the team at Top Gear is very demanding and have exacting standards, so winning the Car of the Year award for i20N is certainly an achievement. The Manufacturer of the Year is a testament to the direction that Hyundai is committed to as we transform into a smart mobility solution provider. Everyone at Hyundai can be proud of this recognition.